Basically there are some changes that I made on that drawing, so I'm just gonna, like start over again from the beginning so you can see how the tree line has been drawn. Okay, like I said, you go to architecture, you come back to your grid line. Yeah, so according to this drawing here, we have how many grid lines here? One, two, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here, start from one at the top here. Okay, okay, we got this one. So we got this one to be 3966. Okay, so coming to this point. So we got the next one to be 1445.445 millimeters. Okay, so we got the next one to be 3155. Got the next one to be 3155. Architectural. Next one to be 3155 on top. Okay. I'll go the next one to be 6145. Okay. For the next one to be 1762. That's okay. I got the next one to be 2200. So just write 2200 and what? And you come here. Okay. So basically we have our vertical and horizontal grid lines. Okay, so change this to A, change it to B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, yeah. So now the next thing we have to do now is to start drawing the walls, the doors, and the windows. Okay, so as we can see here, we have the walls in the grid lines. As you can see, we have the walls, we have the windows, and we have the doors. How can we do this? So we'll come back to our drawing. Okay. So we click on walls. Click down here on walls and we click on architectural. So when we click on architectural, you can see under the properties section, there are different types of walls. Yeah. So I'm not trying to make you professional at this point, yeah. So the first thing you need to learn are just the basics, yeah. So I'm using any type of wall here. So you can use any type of wall for this lesson. So as we move on later on here, then you're gonna know, which wall is good for this wall, which one is good for this. We are still coming up. You don't know all these things yet. So we're gonna use this wall, which is the basic wall. Okay. So I need to draw out everything. So firstly, I'll draw the outside walls. Okay, so then I draw this one going down here. Okay, I draw this one going down here. And I draw this one, this one. Yeah. As you can see, I'm just, showing you the easiest way for you to just draw this thing. Just, click, and draw. So I'm actually I have the drawing right here with me, so I'm just using the drawing to just draw out the layout. Yeah. Okay. So that's on the walls. Yeah. So for the outside and the inside, those are the walls that are needed. But Can see, yeah? There are spaces here, there are doors, how am I going to, set all this wall to make it look like this? Come back here. So you can see this is like a veranda, yeah? Or the entrance. So this wall is not supposed to be here. So we can just click on this and I just want drag it back. Yeah, as you can see, this wall is now what? Shortened, yeah. So now how can we insert? Okay, I think we have other walls that we need to put also. Yeah, around the toilet, we have this walls here and we have this wall here. Okay, so let's come back to architectural, come back to architectural, come back to wall. Okay, just draw something here. Yeah, okay, yeah. So the next thing for us to do now is just us. Firstly, let's insert the doors. Okay. So for us to insert the doors, we need to firstly look at the building. Yeah. You are the one drawing your building. You know how your building is going to look like. How are the doors going to look? Where are the doors going to be? So for me already, I know where my doors are going to be, even without using the plan. So I'll just come here to architecture. This is the door here. You click on the door. Make sure your project is saving. Click on the door. This is showing me a double door here. Okay. So I think I need a double door for the main entrance. So I'll be using the big double door, yeah, which is 1180 by 2110 millimeters. Just click on it. I what? And I insert that door. Okay. So we have double door here, so we don't need any other double door. So let's change the door. So I can just come here and change the door to something else. So this is a single door here. So I will need single doors for the rooms. So let me just use the big single door, okay, which is the 1010 by 2110 millimeters. Okay, so I click on it. I use it for my main entrance, which is this side. And I have one on this side. So, so you notice that this door here is opening to this door is opening to this wing here. So because I don't want this door to open to this wing, I want it to open to this side. So it can be open to the wall. Yeah, so it will this door won't obstruct people from going inside. So you just click on the door, then you click on tab. So you click on tab, sorry, if you click on space. So you click on the door, you click on space, it's going to what? Realign the door for you. Or you just click on this arrow here, like this. So you can see. Yeah. Okay. So what's the door again? Click on the same door. We have a door here also. We have a door here. We have a door here. Okay. Where else do we have a door? We have a door in the kitchen. Okay. Yes. I think we should have a door here also. Okay. So, as you can see, I can't leave the door opening to this side. So for me to adjust this door, I just click on this or click on this. You can see. Or I use the space bar. Okay. We have a door here. We have a door here. We have a door here. Okay. So now let's put the doors for the toilet. So we need a smaller door this time around. So I'll be using the smallest one. That's the 810 by the 2 by 2110 millimeters. Okay. So I'm using it for this side. And I'll be using one for this side. You can see, I know about this already, so I don't need to start looking at the drawing before I know what I want to do. Okay? put one on this side, and I put one on this side going inside. Uh, okay, and what else do I need to do? Yeah, that's it. You can enter or escape. Okay. So, which of the doors are not properly aligned? You just need to check through, look at the doors that are not properly aligned. Yeah. If you want the doors to be on this side, you can just click on this arrow for the door to go on this side. But I don't want the door to be here. So I click it back for the door to go. So this is for the vertical alignment, and this is for the horizontal alignment. Okay. And even though you don't want your door to stand on one place, you can still, just adjust your door. Yeah. So the next one we have is to to fix the windows, yeah? So how can we fix our windows? So we come back to windows here. We got different types of windows. I've imported different type of windows. So if you've not imported yours, you have to go to the load family cloud. I will teach you that in class. So you'll be able to import those things that you need that are not available on your system. Okay. What kind of door is this? I should have more. What kind of window? Okay, this here. Okay. So showing me here that I just have one type of window, which is not supposed to be so. Yeah, so I'll just come to my families here. I think I should have more windows. Oh, I just have one window here. So basically, I'll come to insert. I'll come here to insert. I usually go here, load AutoCAD file. So when I click on load AutoCAD family, then I can import different types of windows from here. Or just click on window, a CAD window. Say different types of windows are gonna come up. So because I'm working with a house, so I might just import different types of windows, then I choose from there. So like double windows. And I just choose from those windows, whichever one I want to use. Okay, then I click on load. Yeah. So it's going to import the windows into the project browser for me. Okay, as you can see them now, they're already showing in the project browser. Yeah, so you need to come to families, find the windows. If you can't find it there, you go to insert, come to the load Autodesk family, then you come to the windows. Yeah, so there are different types of windows. So I'll be using the glazing bar. So using glazing bar, I'm using the biggest one. That's 1810 by 1210. Okay, okay, good. So just come here. When I click on it, just come here, insert the windows. So here, because of the width, I might just be, I can actually edit the width to make it bigger, or I just insert the windows here. Yeah. So I'll be teaching you on how to edit that in the class. Okay. Uh, just insert windows here. Just click on insert, click, click. You just click. Okay. So now for the toilets, yeah, I have to use a different type of windows. So I'm gonna use the small windows here. So I'm gonna just use this one here. I'll use it in here. Use it here. You can see these ones are very small, so I have to change it to the smallest one. I'll just use this one. So use it here. And I'll use this one here. Yeah. So the idea here is just for you to understand the basic things on how to, put doors, how to insert windows, how to insert those different things, different elements into your drawings. And I click on escape. Okay, so let's see how this drawing is looking now 3D. So you can just come here, click on default 3D view. So you can see this is how our drawing is looking. But you notice that this drawing here is moving up to level 5, level 4, which we don't actually need. Yeah. And we said our height, the height of our wall was 3,600. Yeah. So what we're going to do here is to, so what we're going to do here is to reduce this to go down. Yeah. Because I just want to work on the bungalow structure. Okay. So I come back here. So I click on my control. You press your control one here and you press control and click on the walls. Press control. Make sure your hands are on control as you're clicking on the walls. Okay. Just teaching you the basic way. Yeah. Control, click on walls. Control, click on walls. Control, click on walls. So, like I said, my height is not supposed to be 8,000. So I want my height to be 3,600. Enter. Okay. So if you come here now, you can see it has been adjusted to level 2. So let's see the south. As you can see here, I click on elevation, comes elevation, and you click on south. You can see the height of my building at 3,600 millimeters. Okay. So that's that on how to fix windows, how to fix doors, and how to put in our walls and how to align the walls based on the height or the level of the building. So based on the little thing we've done now, we can look around, turn around and see. You can see the windows fixed, windows, the toilet windows. We got windows. Yeah. So we forgot to add the window here. So come back to our drawing. Then we go to architecture again, windows. So this time around, this is a bit big, so I would use this window here. Yeah, the toilet's a bit big. So click on escape. So see now the windows are shown. Yeah. So these are the basic things that you need to learn on how to work on our building. So don't remember how to move around your drawing also. You can see you have the back. If you want to view from the back, if you don't want to use this, you have the left, you have the front. You can also view like that. Okay, thank you. And that's that on what we need to know on how to fix the windows, how to fit the doors, and how to fit in the walls. So now, how can we edit the windows or doors based on our preference? So, we've been given this height and width already. As you can see here, we have given the height, we given the width, and you just maybe you want to enlarge this window. Maybe you want it to be, you want the width to be more than this. So you can just come here, you click on that, you click on edit type. Then the first thing you need to do is what? Duplicate. So when you click on properties, edit type, you need to what? Duplicate it. You need to change it. So let's say this one is the edited type. So we save it as edited type and click on OK. So as you can see here, they say the rough width is 1810 millimeters. Yeah. And maybe you want to change this rough width here, maybe to like 2500. Yeah. So you click on 25, you type your 2500, you click on apply, and you click on OK. As you can see, it's changed. Come back here, you can see the width what changed. So that's how you can what change your edit your window. If you also want to do for the height, you can do for the rough height also. Also for the door, you can just click on edit type. After clicking on the door, click on edit type, you can duplicate. So let's say I want edited type. Then you click on OK. So then you click on you come to the height, rough height or rough width. Let's say this one also, maybe I want it to be 2500. Click on enter. So rough height, let's say I want the rough height to be um to 100. High. Click on OK. As you can see, I made the adjustment, but it's going into this wall, it's touching this wall already, as you can see here. So you can see here, it's touching this wall already. So you can adjust the wall. Yeah. So the wall doesn't actually need to be in that position. You can actually adjust your wall. Come back to 3D, as you can see, the wall has been adjusted. So everything is made easy for you on Revit. Just know the basics and apply the basics. So when you know the basics, then you can then advance to, the harder part of how to use Revit. Okay, and I think we need to adjust this wall here. I don't make a crop adjustment here. There's supposed to be an entrance here, and there's supposed to be an entrance here. Okay, so I will just pull this over. Okay, so, okay, so pull this here, and I'll pull. So what's the architecture wall? Okay, enter. So for this one also, let's say I'm trying to do this one. It's gonna show me that same thing. So I think I can just come to modify, modify. Can just split. Okay, enter. So since I split it, I can just drag it down here. I'll drag this one down here. See, problem solved. Everything has been made easy. Just know what you need to do at the right time. Thank you for staying back to the end of this lesson. So in the coming lesson, we'll be doing different types of things. See you then. Thank you.